Hello, this is going to be a quick tutorial to show you how to add an assignment. The first video I made was like 8 minutes long about this, which was kind of ridiculous. So I'm going to try to speed through this because it's really, really simple. A lot of the options that you're going to see on the add assignment page, you're just not going to really mess with. You're going to leave them clicked or checked the way they already are. There is one thing that you do need to definitely know that you wouldn't know if you weren't watching this video. So first thing you do, you log into your VIS portal, you go to your class. I'm going to go to my AP. I have not actually set my AP class up right, so the stuff you're going to see is completely made up just to show you. You're going to click on assignments. You're going to click on over here on the right plus assignment, add an assignment. The title is required. Here's the big thing. You have to put the title of the language really in front of it. So Spanish people, you're going to put Spanish and then the name of the assignment. Here's an example. Okay. I mean, it's pretty boring. Or soy Joe activity. Actividad de soy yo. Put in English or Spanish. But you're going to have to put the title of the course first. And honestly, it doesn't have to be Spanish 4, Spanish AP, Spanish 3. They will know. The girls will know it's their Spanish class. You're just going to put Spanish. If you teach French, you're going to put French and then the title of the assignment. If you teach Latin, same thing. Okay, so notice this is the title of the assignment. This is what they had to do. But the language has to come first. And there's a reason for that. When the girls view all their assignments, it's different now, and they see all of them for all their classes. And so now, like, English puts just English, math puts math. I don't even know if they put calculus. They might. But so we're just going to keep it Spanish, French, Latin right before the assignment title, and keep them in English too. And I can explain that later if you want me to. Okay, so let's go ahead and make a fake one. So you got the title. Down here it says description is not required, but it could be helpful. So you describe what they did. Select assignment type. This would actually be for me like a homework, but I don't have that in here yet, so I'll just say it was participation. If you want to select from all assignment types, click that. Those are all those preset ones. But honestly, if it's not already in your original category for your grade, this is not going to count towards your grade and could be kind of confusing. So that, I don't know, you can play around with that, but that one might be just something to avoid. So just select from your own. Oops. I did it really quick. Okay. You can link an attachment, or if there's something you want them to watch or see that goes with it. This is sort of like for the Moodle type people. Abbreviation, I don't remember going over this section, but my understanding was like I used to label my homeworks like homework 1, homework 2, homework 3. That's where I'm going to put this. And then the max points, let's say it's out of 10. And then these just pretty much you would leave the same. We did not go over extra credit. It won't let you associate a rubric anyway. Okay, file submission. A lot of this stuff, like I said, you just have to leave it the way it is. If you want to play around with it, fine. Again, we didn't go into that during our meeting. Same with right here, leave that the way it is. And then you get down here to the very bottom, and yeah, when did you assign it? So I assigned it today. I assigned it at 11 o'clock, or maybe I assigned it at, okay, whatever. It's due when? I like this view. This is helpful. Let's say it's due Friday. And it says, don't forget to click apply to selected. Is this the assignment? It's apply it to the assignment. Okay, great. And you can add more assignments if you want to. Save and add in another. I'm just going to save it. Show you kind of what it looks like. Boom, it pops up right there. It says 1 of 7 is graded. I don't even know. Oh, that's from earlier. I'm not going to worry about that. You want it published now, unless you want to add a bunch and have them published later. But a lot of the time, they just want them published now. Then you go to gradebook. You want to see kind of how it shows up in the girls' gradebook. And Katie Ackerman got 100. Let's say she got a 5. Oop, her grade went down. So it's very much like the old system. And that's all I got for you.